Hi, my name is Bren and I am coming to you from wigstudio1.com. You can use the promo code BEAUTIFULYOU and receive 30% off most of your pieces. If you use the code JR30, you'll get 30% off Jon Renau pieces when they are having their sales. We also have a Facebook group. It is called Wig and Topper Help for those with hair loss, and it is a group of about 4,700 women at this time that all struggle from hair loss, whether it be from trichotillomania, chemo, thinning, just heredity, medications, whatever the case may be. We would love to have y'all there. Now let's do this wig review. This is over Jon Renau's Adriana, and she is beautiful. She has a 100% hand-tied cap, very stretchy, so comfortable on a bald head. She has a full mono top, which means you can part her any direction. She has a lace front, and it's a welded lace, so cut it with pinking shears, and that'll prevent fraying on your pieces. She has the extended nape, and she has Velcro adjusters. When you adjust her and find your sweet spot, leave it there, because if you don't, you'll wear out the Velcro. Let's put her on. Adriana is really light. She doesn't have a lot of permatease, hardly any. I would dare to say none. Well, maybe right there. She's layered, and she has these beautiful curls. Let's look at her lace front. You could pull her off the face and then just pull some of that down. You could pull her kind of up a little, or you could probably pull her all the way up. She is long enough for that. With her having this mono top, like I said, you can part her any direction, but you can also cut a full fringe in her as well. My head from here to here is 8 inches and my neck is 4. My head around is 21 inches. So if that helps give you ideas on her, on where she will fall on you. Her bangs are 9 inches. Her crown is 12. The sides are 13.5 and the nape is 14, and she weighs 4.1 ounces. I would say she's more thick up here, and then she gets thinner as you go down. Let's do a spin. She has beautiful movement with her being a hand-tied cap. Her color is Shaded Sun for short. The long is 27T613F8. So what that means is 27, she has some red in here, blended. She's tipped with a 613, which is your platinum. And then she shaded with this number 8. Let's go look at her out in natural lighting. You can see that red in there. See if I can walk you in the sun a little bit.